press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, today I am going to start a new chapter, that it is the solid, liquid and gases. Solids, liquids and gases. Okay. Main topic to be covered in this lesson are the definition of the three different states of matter, the difference between atoms and molecules, the solubility of solids, liquids and gases in water. Next, last one, the difference between physical and chemical change. See, these are all the main topics to be covered in this lesson. Okay, yes, let's start this lesson. Okay, my dear students. First, mainly, yes, you know, our world is very beautiful, isn't it? See, our world is very beautiful. Why? Because why our world is very beautiful? Because you all already I spoke in last chapter, isn't it? As once again we recall that things why our world is very beautiful, means our earth is very beautiful because it consists of many different things, but other planets, see, all other planets does not contain these things like plants, human beings, mountains, river, ocean, insects, animals. It contains many different things, isn't it? So that's why our world is very beautiful. Okay, but other planets it doesn't consider these all things. Okay, see, whatever our world is consists many things. Some are natural things, some are man-made things. Some are natural and some are man-made things, isn't it? See, you know, already you know. So natural things means things which are gifted by nature or comes from nature. These things are called natural things. Example for natural things are plants, human beings, animals, see, and also mountains, river, water, birds. See, these are all natural things. Man-made things means things which are made by man for their use is called what? Man-made things. Example for man-made things: board, TV, mobile, camera, vehicles like a car, bus, aeroplane and house. See, what we are the clothes. See, these are all man-made things. See, man made these things for their use, for their convenience. They made these all things. And in some natural things are living things, isn't it? Some things only. Not all natural things are living things. So you know, some are natural things and some are living things and some are non-living things. Example for natural living things, that it is plants, human beings and animals. See, these are all living things. Some are natural non-living things. So natural things are natural in the nature indane bandirutte, adre adu living things alla. Example, mountain, sand, soil, water, air. These are all gifted by nature, but these all things are non-living things. See, all man-made things are non-living things. Okay. Yes, in your surroundings we can see many different things, isn't it? Whatever it may be, natural or a man-made or a living or a non-living, all the things are made up of matter. See, all the things. All the things are made up of matter. See, whatever it may be natural or it may be a man-made or a living or a non-living, these are all the things are made up of matter. Okay. See, whatever it's a big animal, that it is a elephant. See, elephant is also made up of matter. Whatever the small chalk, see, this chalk is also made up of matter. Or it may be, see, we cannot see some living things, that it is a microorganisms. Example, virus, bacteria. See, these things also made up of matter. See, we cannot see these things, these living things with our naked eyes, but see these things also are made up of matter. See, okay, what is matter? Hagadre matter andre enu? See, matter means matter is anything that has some weight and occupy space. It occupies space. See, these are the two main properties of matter. See, matter is anything that has some weight and occupies space. See, these are the two main properties of matter. Okay. See, next, what is matter made up of? Hagadre ee matter yadrinda agirutte? Matter is made up of molecules. Matter is made up of what? Molecules. See, all the things are made up of matter. Matter is made up of molecules. See, molecules is a very smallest and the simplest particle of a matter. See, molecules are smallest and simplest particle of a matter. Molecules are smallest and the simplest particle of a matter. We cannot see these molecules because that it is very small. Me kanni kaanodilla ashtu chikkadagirutte yavadu molecules. Okay. See, these molecules are made up of atoms. See, when we broken these molecules, further broken into these molecules, what happens? See, we get what? Atoms. See, all the molecules are made up of atoms. Okay. First, see, matter is anything that has some weight and occupies space. Okay. See, the matter is made up of molecules. See, molecules means it's the simplest, the smallest particle of a matter. So, we cannot see with our naked eyes. Okay. See, these molecules are made up of what? Atom. See, molecules yadrinda agirutte? Atom inda agirutte. Okay. Atom andre enu? Nodona. Molecules are made up of or further broken down into smaller units. Broken down into smaller units are called what? Atoms. Are called what? Atoms. Okay. See, atom means, see, molecules are made up of what? Atoms. Okay. Or further, see, when we broken this molecules, so a molecules further broken madde, we get very smaller unit. So, matter, molecules we cannot see. So, because it's a very small thing, it's a smallest and the simplest particle of a matter. But when we broken these molecules further, we get what? Atoms. See, there are 119 atoms are there. How many atoms are there? 119. See, all kinds of matter in the world is made up of about 119 kinds of atoms. So, 119 ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we are going to learn about states of matter. You already learned in first standard, isn't it? Again we just go for recall. So on the recall madana. Okay, yes, you know there are 3 states of matter, isn't it? Three states of matter. There are 3 states of matter. ಯಾವ್ದು? First one solids. First one is what? Solids. Second one liquids, and third one gases. See, these are all the 3 states of matter. Okay, see, first one solid. Yes, solid is made up of, as usual, molecules. Yes, you know all the things which are natural or a man-made or a living or a non-living, whatever, all the living things are made up of matter. Okay, as usual, solids or it may be liquids or a gas. See, these are also made up of matter. Okay, next, the distance or a space between these molecules are of a same substance is called intermolecular space. Intermolecular space means the space between space. See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಈ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? intermolecular space. So intermolecular space means space between two molecules. So ಎರಡು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್, ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ in a simple substance, space between the same substance. ಒಂದೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ intermolecular space. What we call that one? Intermolecular space. Okay, see, you already I told, I spoke, there are 3 states of matter. Okay, see, ಈ molecules na arrangement ಮೇಲೆನೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 3 states of matter na ನಾವು classify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Depend on what? Molecules. So molecules na state, so molecules na arrangement ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 3 kinds of matter, 3 kinds of molecules are there. Okay, first one solid, second one liquid, and third one gases. Okay, solids means what? Solids means they have a definite shape and the molecules arrangement in these solids are very closely packed. They are very close to each other. See, we call that it is a what? Solid. Okay, see, now we go first solid ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. See, solid is the state of matter. Okay, yes, the molecules in solids, molecules are, it's the first property of solids, molecules in solids are closely packed, closely or tightly packed or each other. The arrangement of molecules in solids are very closely packed ಅರೆ ತುಂಬ ನಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿ arrangement of molecules in solids are like this. Arrangement of molecules in solids are like this. See, the molecules are very close or tightly or each other. So tumba near irutte molecules. See, there is almost no space in between these molecules. So that much of a arrangement of molecules in the solids. Okay, see next property. So because of this arrangement of molecules, solids are hard and rigid. So solids are hard and rigid. Okay, next one. Solids have definite shape. Solids have definite shape and definite volume or a space. See, solids have a definite shape and definite volume because the molecules arrangement in solids are very closely packed, so that's why they are hard and rigid, and also they have a definite shape and definite volume. See, you know, example for solids. So normally, see, this duster is an example for a solid. Idu ee duster eno solid ge example. See, the molecules arrangement in this duster are very closely packed, so that's when this one is hard and rigid. Okay, and also they have, see, they have a this solid have a what definite shape. So idಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ definite shape ಇದೆ. As one more example, this chalk. See, chalk is solid, so ಈ chalk is ಏನು solid. See, molecules arrangement in this solid are very closely packed, so that's why this one chalk is very hard and rigid, and this one chalk is they have a definite shape and definite volume, isn't it? See, yes, we can change the shape of this solid. Yes, we can by using force. By using force we can change the shape of a solid. See, for example, yes, we can change the shape of solid. Yes, easily I can. Yes, by using muscular force. By using muscular force I change the shape of this solid. Yes, ಈಗ ಡಸ್ಟರ್ ನ shape na change ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ by using force. Yes, I can change the shape of this solid by using what muscular force. So ಈಗ ಇದೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೀಗೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಗೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಚಾಕ್, ಸಿ, ನಾನು ಇದು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮುರಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಅಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ solid means it's a duster. Yes, so they have a definite shape and definite volume. Yes, we can change the shape of this solid. As one more example that it is, see the brick. See, brick is example for solid. So a brick, you know, solid ge example. Okay, see this one molecules arrangement in this solids, this brick are very closely packed. So a brick in the molecules arrangement enagide, it's a very closely packed, so that's why this one is very hard and rigid. So idralli molecules tumba close agide, hagagi idenagide hard and rigid agide, and this bricks in the they have a definite shape. So you normally very different shape in bricks na nodidre. Some are rectangle, isn't it? So rectangular shape alli irutte. See, this one bricks different shape. So ee brick inda shape change ide. See, depending upon compressor. So adanna ನಾವು ಮೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಚಾಪಿಸ್ನ ಶೇಪ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ duster also. As easily I can change the shape of this brick. No, I can't. So ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಸೂಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ change the shape of this what solid, means ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಶೇಪ್ನ ನಾನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್? ನೋ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ bricks? No, I can't, because I need extra force. Extra force means any other force, energy. Say like by using what? Simple machines, I can change the shape of this brick. So simple machines ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐರನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಐರನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಐರನ್ ರಾಡ್ನ ಶೇಪ್ನ ನಾನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಜಿಡ್. ತುಂಬ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಜಿಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ change the shape of iron rod easily. By using simple machines, easily we can change the shape of that iron rod, isn't it? Okay. And next example for solids. So solids ಗೆ example ಏನು? See, you know, solids, they have a definite shape and definite volume. So that's why most of surrounding things are solid. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಚಾಕ್, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡಸ್ಟರ್, ಆರ್ ಬುಕ್, ಎಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಮೈ ವಾಚ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, ಸಿ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್, ಕಾರ್, ಆರ್ ಎ ಬಸ್, ಆರ್ ಎ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. See, all the things are solid. Why? Because they are hard and rigid, they have a definite shape, they have a definite volume. So that's why these are all what? Solid. Okay. See, and we can hold the solid. So now solid na easy ಗೆ hold ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, or touch na feel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಬಹುದು, ಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Solid. See, these are all about a solid. Okay. Next we are going to learn about liquid. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. About liquids. ಓಕೆ. ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಘನ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ್ರವ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್. ಸಿ, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಸ್ molecules in liquid are less closely packed. See, the arrangement of molecules in liquids are like this. The arrangement of molecules in liquids are less closely packed, but in solids they are closely packed or tightly packed, but the molecules arrangement in liquids are less closely packed. Okay, so that's why liquids are not hard. So they are no hard, but they are a fluid. So fluid means what? See, normally it's a fluid. Fluid andre eno? See, for example, yes, I am going to take water in beaker. Okay. So normally ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀರು ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಬೀಕರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತದು, ಹರಿದು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈ ಡಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಹೀಗಿಟ್ರೆ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಯಿತು, ನಾನು ಹೀಗಂದೆ ನೀರು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾನು ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹಾಗಿಟ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, because the molecules arrangement in solids are closely packed, but in liquids molecules arrangement are less closely packed. So that's why they no hard and they are fluid and hardogatte. Okay, so that's why to store water we need what? Container. To store water or to store liquid we need what? Container, because if we do not use the container it will be what? Flow, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and next one, see, liquids have definite volume but no definite, they do not have, but they do not have definite shape. See, liquids, they have definite volume but they do not have definite shape. So ನಾನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, so if you pour the water it's a fluid, but see the liquids are a fluid, so that's why we use a container to store liquid. Okay, see, next they have a definite volume but they do not a definite shape. Okay, so that's why I cannot hold. So ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹಿಡಿದಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, see, these are all the properties of what? Liquids. Okay, next we are going to learn about gases. See, the gases is the third state of matter. So gases is the third state of matter. Okay, see, the properties of gases are the molecules in gases are loosely packed, see, like this. The arrangement of molecules in gases are loosely packed. So it's a freely move at everywhere. Say molecules are freely move everywhere. See, for example, take scent bottle. So scent bottle na open ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. See, it's spread all around. So ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗ ಈ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಾಟಲ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿ, ಈಚ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೂಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫ್ರೀಲಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಜಿಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್, they do not have volume. Say the gas in gases they does not have volume or shape. They does not have any shape or a definite volume. Which one? Gases. Why? Because the molecules of in gases are loosely packed. So like this is a very loosely packed. See, everywhere is gas. So ella kadegu gas ide, air ide. So you know our earth is surrounded by atmosphere. Thin layer of air is called what? Atmosphere. See, only the planet, our earth is contain what? Atmosphere. So atmosphere irodike nama life earth mele life exist agirodu alva. See, earth consists thin layer around see what we call atmosphere. It consists many different types of gases, nitrogen, carbon, and then oxygen. It contains many different types of gases. Okay, see, gases means air is very essential to us, because see, all the living things need what? Air to breathe. So ella living things ige tana vital processing activities like a breathing ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ they need what? Air. See, for example, human beings, see, we all breathe oxygen. So now breathe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we need what? Oxygen to breathe. So now breathe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ oxygen ಬೇಕು. What about animals? See, animals also need what? Oxygen to breathe. What about plants? See, plants need carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis, isn't it? See, air is very essential to us. Okay. Next is, in this class we learned about matter. So ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನೇ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. See, matter means, see, all the things are made up of what? Matter. See, matter has some weight and they have some occupy space. Okay, see, these are the two properties of matter. Okay, next, see, the matter is made up of molecules. Molecules means it's a very smallest and the simplest particle of its matter. So matter and molecules enagide, it's a very smallest and the simplest particle. See, we cannot see with our naked eye, so it's a very smallest particle. And when we further broken into molecules, we get water. We can find atoms. See, there are 119 different kinds of matter. Whatever in our world, there are many things in our world. See, all the things are made up of these 119 atoms. Okay. Next, see the states of matter. There are three states of matter, that it is a solid, liquid and gases. These are all the three states of matter. Okay. See, in solid, say there are the molecules in solids are very closely packed, so that's why they have a definite shape, definite volume. Solids are very hard and rigid. And liquids, the molecules are loosely packed, they are not hard but they are fluid. Okay, example for liquid, water, oil, milk, these are all the example for liquid. And next is the gases. There are no definite shape, no definite volume. The molecules arrangement in gases are loosely packed, they are spread everywhere. Okay, example for gases are nitrogen, carbon and oxygen. Okay, thank you my dear students.